how to send large videos on Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you send large file video on Gmail. So let's get started. As you can know that on the Gmail you can't be able to send high quality or some larger files on Gmail. So for that you'll have to just use an external site to transfer that file or video through your emails. For that, open up any browser on your system. Alright, after you open browser, in the source field, you'll have to search for a smash file. Alright, after you search for a smash file, here you can see the options like you can as usual send the large files for free. So simply click on the option smash. Alright, after you open the official site of Smash, you will got such interface. So from here, you'll have to click on the bottom of this logo to send your large file. Alright, from this way you'll have to just select the larger video whom you want to send. As you can also zip that folder and select your zip file. So from here you'll have to just select that video. Alright, after you select it, click on open. Okay, as you can see the file has been uploaded, and from the section you'll have to move with the section like email, and after you click on that email section you'll be able to share that large file through your email. So on the section email you'll have to provide your email, and on the contact mail section you can as usual provide your contact email. Alright, after you provide it, you can also provide a subject from here, like I will give from like test here. Alright, on the message section you can as usual share a message to this file. So simply you can as usual type any message for this file. Alright, after you done from here, click on the option send over here. Alright, it is processing to be transferring. So alright, so as you can see, here is the message like your transfer has been sent to your recipients. So for that person will have to open their email, and from that way they will have to open their Gmail on their system, and after they will open their Gmail, from there you can easily download that long video or large video from there. Alright, as you can see, here is the confirmation message like your transfer was sent successfully. So from here, after I tap on the preview transfer, I'll be able to preview the transfer of that large file. Alright, as you can see, here is the download process, like click here to download that files, and after I click on that option I will be able to download that video on my gallery. So this is the easiest and simplest method to send large quality or large files video on Gmail. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.